So, and now we polish and make the mirror gloss the shoes. For this we need a shoe wax, a mirror gloss, water, and a polishing glove. First time we put only the wax and only with the fingers on the shoes. We put only with the fingers and only little bit of wax, not too much. And the wax is also protect of the shoe. And we stay this for 10 till 15 minutes and then we polish. So now we have stayed the shoe for 15 minutes and now we polish with the polishing glove. And now we make the MirrorShine. The MirrorShine, we need a hard wax, and we can only put of the hard parts of the shoe, like the front or the heel. And this also we make only with the finger, and only a little bit, not too much. We put this on the shoe, on the hard parts of the shoe, with the finger. We make this several times. And the first time we did more. We need about 30 minutes. And the second time then going faster. And now we take the cloth. We put on one finger. We need the water. Strong. And we put only a little bit water and polish it. And also a little bit wax, only a little bit. Little bit water, little bit wax, and this we make about 10-15 minutes. You can make also longer. There's more longer, more shine. But only in the first time you need longer. In the second times after the polishing is going then very fast, the MirrorShine. Yes, coming good. Also in the heel, the same. And for final, we do only with a drop of water. And then you have the absolutely mirror shine on your shoes.